Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the network and sharing center is not opening on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the SFC scan. Okay, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a network reset. So here's what you have to do for resetting your network. Okay, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced network settings, click on network reset, and finally click on reset now and then click on yes. The next solution will be an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type sfc /scan now. The last is to perform system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar. Open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Select a go to restore point. Click on next and finally on finish. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.